Just about to head out. Family left. They put me in a gravel lot. Sucks. It's only been like 2 weeks on the Marauder and I'm already driving it in gravel. The rear needs a wash, guys. It needs a major wash. They're gone. So I'm here alone now. I'm meeting them at the nearest McDonald's, wherever that may be. So we shall see what happens. I have to get out of this gravel pit without dropping the bike. Got tiptoe my way out of here. Holy shit. Actually, hold up. What am I even doing? Much easier. Much easier to do this than the other way around. It's crying. Don't want to start this bike up. Sorry, kid. Light and easy, light and easy, light and easy, light and easy. So what I want to talk about today was the Yamaha R7 is a good beginner bike. As you guys know, a lot of people get this as a first bike too if they want to go for a super sport and they feel like a 300 or a 400 or even a 500 cc bike is not up their alley. And honestly, hey, look, a Cybertruck. Not getting sidetracked. I'd say yes, the R7 is a good beginner sport bike if you were thinking of keeping for a long term and growing with it. It has power, but the power is in like the mid-range. I would feel like it's in the middle. It's not really up front. It's not really in the higher RPMs either. It's in the middle. So when you're learning, you'll have enough. You need to learn throttle control. But if you have a couple years experience, or you just want like a little fun little bike to get around town with, and you have some experience under your belt, with dirt bikes and all that too, it's honestly not that bad. My helmet is really loose. Need more padding now that I have dropped a bit of weight. Anyways, so the question of the day was, is the R7 a good beginner bike? I would say yes, to an extent. If you have a bit of riding experience on dirt bikes, on dirt roads, stuff like that, yes, absolutely. If you're a new beginner and you're taller, if you're taller or heavier, yes. If you're light, or if you don't trust yourself with the amount of power, I would say no. Overall, it is a good beginner bike, depending on what you can afford, how much experience you have, how confident you are in your riding. I would say yes. Honestly, compared to the Marauder, the throttle isn't really that finicky. It is a bit more than it, absolutely, but not that much more. So if you can handle like a Boulevard, a Vulcan 650, a V-Star, Honda Shadow 750, if you can handle those, you can definitely handle this R7. Positioning wise, if you're a bigger dude, you need more stretchy clothing and clothes that have more flex but also protect you. Definitely gear definitely plays a factor, because when I was wearing a tight jacket it was harder to position myself properly. But in the clothing I'm in right now, which is like my Wrangler insulated pants, my Icon D30 motorcycle jacket, and my gloves and everything, it's really comfortable, to be honest. It's comfortable. I can ride easily, move around, and it protects me too. So overall, I'd say it's a good deal. Overall, I'd say it's a good bike. Fuel wise, you can see we filled up the tank earlier today. We're already down one line, so it definitely guzzles gas, but I've been giving it a bit of go too today. Man, I love the burbles on this thing. So overall, ergonomics of the bike, you do lean a bit more forward. If you're used to cruisers, definitely is a game. It definitely is a change. If you're into sport bikes, you lean a bit more than most other sport bikes. I don't know. This is my first sport bike, so I just know that it's designed for a track. It's designed more for like a track bike, so you do lean more forward. So we'll see how it goes, guys. Overall, it's a nice bike. Definitely recommend it as a beginner bike to an extent, depending on your size, your budget, and how trusting you are, how confident you are you won't crash it. As long as you respect the power on any bike, always respect the power, even if it's a small 50cc, 125cc, or 250cc. So be respectful of the machine, drive within your limits. You should be good. And it is a bike you can grow with. I can already feel I can keep this bike for a long time and still learn new things, improve my skills on it. So we'll see how it goes, guys. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here. I don't know how good this one is, but I was just having a bit of fun on the bike. So let's see. Happy New Year, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe, stay warm. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below and liking this video as well. And thank you for watching till the end. It really means a lot. We're almost at the point where we are monetized, and I can do more things to this bike. Dump more money into the Marauder, get that thing back up and running, nice and easy, and yeah, make better content and do more events and stuff like that. All right, see ya.